Introducing Miino by NutraVerse, the smart approach to insulin resistance and hormonal health. The unseen epidemic, insulin resistance. Insulin resistance happens when the body cells are not responsive to the insulin signaling as they should, resulting in excessive sugar in the blood. The pancreas responds by pumping out more insulin. This hyperinsulinemia is the engine driving many of the conditions we'll discuss next. So, how do we fix this problem? The solution, Miino. Miino's main ingredient, myo-inositol, works from inside the cells. It stimulates production of glucose transporter 4, which enhances glucose uptake into the cells. It's a natural way to resolve insulin resistance and restores metabolic balance. Core benefit 1, diabetes and metabolic health. The result of the improvement in insulin resistance is lowered blood sugar levels and subsequently normalized insulin levels. Conventional anti-diabetic medicines such as sulfonylureas and DPP-4 inhibitors work by stimulating the pancreas to produce even more insulin, worsening hyperinsulinemia. These medicines are not treating the root cause of diabetes, which is insulin resistance. Clinical studies have shown that taking 4 grams per day of inositol improved insulin sensitivity, blood pressure and cholesterol. Clinical studies have also shown that inositol improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control in women with gestational diabetes. Protects organs. Miino replenishes inositol in eyes, nerves and kidneys, helping to delay or prevent retinopathy, neuropathy and nephropathy. For men, clinical studies showed that it can help prevent and treat erectile dysfunction in diabetic men. Core benefit 2, polycystic ovary syndrome and fertility. PCOS affects 1 in 10 women in their childbearing age. How does it happen? The core underlying causes are insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia, which lead to increased levels of luteinizing hormone. Escalated luteinizing hormone inhibits ovulation and contributes to polycystic ovarian, irregular menstrual cycles and infertility. High luteinizing hormone levels leads to hyperandrogenism, which is causing hirsutism, severe acne and male pattern hair loss. Miino tackles the root cause, reducing high insulin levels, rebalances the hormones, and reduce the symptoms of PCOS. Core benefit 3, thyroid health. Hypothyroidism, or Hashimoto's thyroiditis, happens when the autoantibodies and immune cells inflict inflammation and damage to the thyroid gland cells, causing lowered production of thyroid hormones. A clinical study involved 86 patients with Hashimoto's thyroiditis. These subjects were given inositol and selenium for 6 months. The results showed significant reduction in levels of TSH and antithyroid antibodies. Thyroid hormones levels were back to normal, and the quality of life of these patients improved. Conventional treatment methods do not treat the root cause of thyroid disease, which is the inflammation of the thyroid glands. Core benefit 4, mental well-being and the mind. The brain's inositol reserve. Myo-inositol levels are lower in depression, panic disorder, OCD, Alzheimer's and insomnia. When inositol levels are low, mood and anxiety can happen. Replenishing this vital nutrient with Miino provides a natural approach to mental wellness. A study in 20 people with panic disorders showed that inositol 18 grams per day worked better than anxiety medication in reducing panic attacks, OCD and mood. Significant improvements in obsessive-compulsive disorder symptoms seen in clinical trials. Insomnia. By calming the nervous system, it promotes restful sleep. Other benefits. Miino is also useful for the treatment of various health conditions related to insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia such as acne, benign prostatic hyperplasia and alopecia. The complete Miino formula. Miino is a synergistic blend of natural ingredients to improve metabolic and hormonal health. Each sachet contains 2 grams of myo-inositol, 3 minerals, selenium, zinc and chromium, and 2 vitamins, folic acid and vitamin D3. Easy dosing. 1 sachet 2 times a day for general health. Up to 6 sachets per day for mental health support. Miino offer a foundational solution for root cause health. Thank you for watching this video. This video is cordially produced by NutraVerse.